back to the wolf pack. It is time for yet another adventure. We are not gonna let the cold stop us today. It's gonna be a great morning. We'll be doing a little paddling, a little fishing, and a little exploring. So stay tuned. Got my canoe all loaded up right here, and I'm super excited because today's sponsor is Nova. They have a magnetic soft-sided cooler, and I'm so excited to show you guys why it is my absolute favorite. I've got it right here, already loaded up. I'm going to show you guys today why this is the perfect cooler to be taking along on my adventure. I think it's safe to say that I am the only person out here on the water today, which is fine with me. Enough jabbering, let's get out there. Main priority right now is to just get out of this wind a little bit. Even though it's cold, it is absolutely beautiful out here. Whoa. This almost feels like a dream. This doesn't feel like a real place. All right, y'all, that was quite the paddle. I had the wind directly in my face the whole time, so that was whew. All of this was buried 5 to 6 feet underwater last time. The boat ramp is all the way over there. That's where we started. Definitely gonna give this a shot fishing. It should be pretty interesting to fish this little reef. I've been absolutely loving this cooler to take with me on little day trips like this, paddling around, because it's small and compact, as you can see, but it holds a ton, and I can't wait to show you guys what I've got in here. It has this awesome magnetic lid, so I can literally open it with one hand without worrying about zippers, filming with the other hand, paddling, rigging up a rod, fishing, you name it. This is just an absolute game changer. Just keeping it super simple today. I've got a drop shot rig, and I've also got some bait. I definitely don't want to scrape up the bottom of my canoe on this rock. Cold weather and the water level being so low, I think my best chances are to go ahead and use some bait instead of anything artificial. Pop open my cooler. Guys, I've got some deer liver. Instead of chicken liver this time, I have deer liver. I think is a heck of a lot less gross. It's still a little bit frozen. So that just shows you that this cooler is an absolute beast, because it's been in there for a few hours already. My venison liver. I feel like this should be irresistible. Last time it was pretty instantaneous with these little catfish, and I kind of regret not keeping any because they were the perfect eating size. I do remember, like, right off of this buoy to the left was so deep, like eerily deep, and then it came up to this little shoal right here that was completely underwater at the time. Uh-oh, the wind's pushing us. The wind is pushing us. Oh no. This area is so unreal. Like, I guarantee you by the time I'm headed back to the boat launch, the wind will be in my face going the other way, blowing the complete other way that I don't want it to blow. Another thing that I absolutely love about this Nova, keeps your stuff cold for up to 48 hours. This wind is really picking up. Guys, honestly, I didn't really come out here to fish and catch a bunch of fish, which it would be awesome. And I actually wasn't hoping that I could bring some fresh catfish home for dinner in the cooler, but if that doesn't happen, I'm still out here for a nice, beautiful adventure on the water and just to kind of soak in a little bit of serenity and peacefulness before it gets absolutely too cold. This is one of my favorite relaxing spots to come. I'm trying to scope out a little spot on land to pull up to shore and have a little snack and maybe do a little exploring. Pretty special today. I can go pretty much anywhere with how the banks are completely exposed. All right. No fish on the reef today. Yeah, I was really looking forward to having the wind at my back on the way back, but it looks like that's not going to happen. This thing is still full of ice. Packed it this morning. Obviously got my bait in there. Got some snacks. Some more snacks. I'm gonna go find a little spot to sit, have a little snack, and watch the fishing rod from afar. So many deer tracks. Oh, so pretty. Someone left their beanie up here on the tree. Pretty weird. But yeah, you guys, I love the fact that I could throw my fish straight into this cooler, my snacks, fruit, whatever, because it is food grade material inside. We don't have to worry about any nasty chemicals or cheap PVC. This thing is super durable. You can take it anywhere. Always bring the most random snacks. A piece of cheese, a piece of Gouda cheese, a jerky stick, some pecans, walnuts, and a Jolly Rancher. Look at this trail right here. Whoa. Oh, this place is so magical. Look at that. Look how high up that is. Above my waist. Got oak trees, acorns, horn trees everywhere. Looks like the wind's picking up again. Well, see you later, beanie. Another thing, you guys, this cooler doubles as a little camera stand and table. Got you guys sitting up on the cooler right now. Hopefully this cider is still nice and hot. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Oh, it's gonna be good. When the weather gets colder, the Riva Nova can also keep things warm. Ah, yes. Maybe, just maybe, we might have a catfish on the end of our line when I head back to the canoe. How awesome would that be? We would fillet it up right here on shore, throw it in the cooler, and head home, baby. Some fried catfish for dinner. Ooh-wee. Yes. I wish. Oh, guesswork that needs to be done. Can go anywhere. If I could get off of this shoal. Come on. Come on. Okay. Honestly, you guys, it's just so freaking beautiful out here. I think I'm gonna paddle around and explore some more, but that about wraps up today's video. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. If you guys are interested in the Riva Nova cooler, I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys to check out. I'll also leave my discount code and I will tag them so you can find them easily on Amazon. Thank you so much, Riva Nova, for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.